Good day to you. We're on number 3, 7-mark question. You could set your timer to about 10 minutes and see how far you can get. Feel free to pause videos at any time and continue working and then turn it back on if you need a hint or just to kind of see if you got the solution correct, whatever you feel is necessary. Okay, so let's get started. Consider the complex numbers u, which is equal to 2 plus 3i, and v, which is equal to 3 plus 2i. Given that 1 over u plus 1 over v is equal to 10 over w, express w in the form a plus bi. So I'm going to write 1 over u, which will be 1 over 2 plus 3i, and 1 over v, which will be 1 over 3 plus 2i, and that's going to be equal to 10 over w. Okay, the reason I left what I've got going on there is I'm going to multiply by the complex conjugate. I got some space here. I'm going to utilize that space in order to get a common denominator. So this would be 3 minus 2i. And of course the complex conjugate is great because you don't have to FOIL, because the outside-inside terms will just reduce. So with this first expression, I would get 2 minus 3i in the numerator, and in the denominator I get 4 minus minus 9i squared. So 9i squared is equal to negative 9, minus negative 9 is plus 9, so that'd be 4 plus 9, which is 13. Okay, in the second term, I get 3 minus 2i over 9 plus 4, which is 13. Okay, and this is equal to 10 over w. All right, so now I've got a common denominator. I can combine like terms. So I would get 5 minus 5i over 13 is equal to 10 over w. Okay, so in essence, I'm just going to cross multiply, giving me 130 is equal to 5 minus 5i times w. Okay, I'm going to divide both sides by 5 minus 5i, giving me 130 over 5 minus 5i, doing this in order to isolate w. And I'm going to multiply by the complex conjugate of the denominator, and we're going to get w. So in this case, w would equal 650, which is 130 times 5, plus 650i. And then in the denominator, I'm going to get 25 plus 25, which is 50. So it looks like w in a plus bi form will be 13 plus 13i. Okay, there you go. There's part A complete. Let's look at part B. Find w star and express it in the form r e to the I theta. Okay, so w star is going to equal 13 minus 13i. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that into cis form, polar form, which would be 13 root 2 cis negative pi over 4. Okay, the reason I'm going to do that is because I need r and I need theta. Okay, so r cis theta is equal to r e to the, I theta. Okay, so if I have 13 root 2 cis negative pi over 4, then w star in this form would be 13 root 2 e to the negative I pi over 4. There you have it. That's w star in r e to the I theta form. I think we just got ourselves another 7 marks, so good for us, and we keep moving forward. ask any questions you got, guys. Shoot them to me. We'll talk it out.